transcribing. You know, I love music. Music allows me to take my my intellectual capacity into a different arena. But what I find fascinating about art is primarily the whole three-dimensional optical illusion that's illustrated and demonstrated on a two-dimensional surface. And I started drawing as a way to clear my mind, you know, because, you know, why am I struggling to articulate myself? My whole point for saying this is, I got into art because I inadvertently and intermittently gravitated toward arts because of an experience. I had an emotional experience. And I decided to pick up art as a hobby. And three-dimensional depiction on a two-dimensional surface has a lot to do with softness, you know, optical illusion, we call it. The whole idea of things at far distance tend to seem, hold on, you know, I call it optical illusion. You know, how do we illustrate and demonstrate a three-dimensional object on a two-dimensional surface?